In code. Hi everyone. Hope you're doing great. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more videos. This NASM x86 assembly program demonstrates the use of the .data, initialized data, .bss, uninitialized data, and .text code execution sections. The .data section stores a predefined message. Hello assembly! And two integers, number 1 equals 10, number 2 equals 20. The .bss section reserves space for result, which will store the sum of number 1 and number 2. In the .text section, execution starts at _start, where number 1 and number 2 are loaded into the EX register, added together, and stored in result. Then, a Linux system call sys_write is used to print the Hello assembly message to the screen. Finally, the program terminates gracefully using the sys_exit system call. This program runs on a 32-bit Linux system and can be compiled using NASM and linked with GCC. The data section, initialize data. A null terminated string for printing. A 4-byte, double word, initialized integer. Another initialized integer. The BSS section, uninitialized data. Reserve space for one double word, for bytes, uninitialized. The text section, code. Entry point for the program. Load number 1 and number 2 into registers and add them. Load the value of number 1 into EX register. Add the value of number 2 to EX. EX equals number 1 plus number 2. Store the computed sum into the memory location result. Print. Hello assembly! Message. Message length, number of bytes in. Hello assembly! Address of the message to print. File descriptor stout, which is 1. Syscall number for sys_write, Linux system call. Invoke the system call to print the message. Exit the program. Syscall number for sys_exit, Linux system call. Exit code 0, success. Invoke the system call to terminate the program. If you're serious about leveling up your coding skills, you're in the right place. So, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Trust me, you don't want to miss the next step in your coding journey. Your support helps me create more content that can truly make a difference. Let's build something amazing together.